Good day, dear students. My name is Gulžan. I am the teacher of English language. Today, our subject is professional English. Before starting our lesson, you are going to listen to the melody and tell the name of this song and its author. Who is he? Желсіз түнде жарығай, сәулесі суда дірілдеп, ауылдың маңы терең сай, тасыған өзен гүрілдеп. And the name of this song and its author. Yes, желсіз түнде жарығай. And its author is, who is he? Abai Kunanbaev. Abai Kunanbaev. Today, our theme is Abai Kunanbaev. The type of lesson combined, and the aim of the lesson to educate the respect and interest in Abai's compositions, to teach students to use it actively and correctly in their speech, to develop oral speech, visual and listening memory of students, speaking, reading and listening habits, and self-working skills. Бүгін біз Абай сазгер, Абай ақын, Абай ғалым, Абай дана, Абай ойшыл, Абай аудармашы деген сөздерді ағылшын тілінде өтетін боламыз. Абай Kunanbaevтың портреті. And today at the lesson we shall speak about the great Kazakh famous-man Abai Kunanbaev. And this is vocabulary, and listen and repeat. Musician, musician, музыкант. Famous, famous, атақты. Thinker, thinker, ойшыл. Educator, educator, ағартушы. Translator, translator, аудармашы. The founder, негізін қалаушы. Composer, composer, сазгер. Poems, poems, өлеңдер. Education, education, білім. Generation, generation, ұрпақ. Science, science, ғылым. Poet, poet, ақын. Culture, culture, мәдениетті. And the text Abai Kunanbaev. Read and translate this text. And just listening the text. Abai was a great poet, musician, and writer. He was born in 1845 in Abai settlement near the city of Semey. He was a well-known Kazakh poet, a great thinker, educator, composer, philosopher, the founder of written Kazakh literature, and its first classic. His father, Kunanbaev, was very strict, but his mother, Gulžan, and grandmother, Zere, were kind, warm-hearted, and good-natured people. They were good storytellers too. They told little Abai a lot of interesting stories, tales, and legends of Kazakh people. Abai went to a religious school at the age of 9. But when he was 13, he began to learn Russian and entered the Russian school in Semey. He liked to read books of great Russian poets and writers, Pushkin, Lermontov, Krylov. Later, Abai translated their works into Kazakh and wrote a lot of masterpieces of literature. His poetry is very popular nowadays. The works of Abai have been translated into many foreign languages. Abai Kunanbaev died in 1904. Kazakh people are proud of their great poet. He is well known all over the world. Kara Sözdер, book of words created by the great thinker, constitutes an ethnic philosophical work. This creation of his and exploration of Kazakh national life in the second half of the 19th century. He influenced social affairs in the country where he lived. The name of Abai is known worldwide just as Shakespeare, Goethe, and Pushkin are well known in many countries because his great works became a spiritual patrimony of not only one nation but of the entire humankind. This year we celebrate Abai's 175th anniversary. Well, you should read and translate this text. Let us sing and enjoy our favorite songs, such as a song by the Kazakh poet Abai Kunanbaev, "The Black of Your Eyes."
Gözümün karasa, gönlümün sanasa, bitmedi iştigi, aşıktık şarasa, bitmedi aşıktık şarasa. Kazaktың данаса, жас өлген баласы, бар деме сендей бір адамның баласы, бар деме сендей бір адамның баласы.
Well, exercise 1. Fill in the gap with a necessary word. Social affairs. Warm-hearted. A lot of masterpieces. Religious school. Thinker. Street. The first sentence is, he was a well-known Kazakh poet and great thinker, composer, philosopher, and founder of written Kazakh literature. His father, Kunanbaev, was very strict, but his mother, Gulжан, and grandmother, Zire, were kind, warm-hearted, and good-natured people. Abai went to a religious school at the age of 9. Later, Abai translated their works into Kazakh and wrote a lot of masterpieces of literature. He influenced social affairs in the country where he lived. Well, true or false? The next exercise, say true or false. The first sentence, Abai Kunanbaev was born in 1845. True or false? It's true. His father was very kind person. It's false. He didn't like to read books of great Russian poets and writers. Pushkin, Lermontov, Krylov. And it's false. The next sentence. Abai translated their works into English and wrote a lot of masterpieces of literature. It's false. True. Well, there are 55 words of Abai. False. Abai Kunanbaev died in 1907. It's false. He is well known all over the world. It's true. Your home task is to retell the text Abai Kunanbaev. Goodbye, children.